Welcome to Padmavati teaching classes. How are you? I hope all you are fine. In previous class, we learned numbers from 1 to 10. Today, in this class, we learn matching, how to do the 1 to 10 numbers matching. Okay children, let's start the class. See here, some pictures are there. I drawn some pictures. We can do the matching. We count the pictures and do the matching. See, what is the first picture? Tree. How many trees are there? All of you count along with me. 1, 2. How many trees? 2 trees. All of you read along with me, children. 1, 2. How many trees? 2 trees. Here find out where is the number 2. 6, 1, 3, 2, 8. Where is number 2? Yes, here. Number 2. We can do the matching from 2 to trees to 2. Okay children. What is the next picture? Ball. What is this picture? Ball. How many balls are there? All of you count along with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. How many balls? 3 balls. Let's find out where is number 3. 6. No. 1. No. 3. Yes, this is the number 3. We can do the matching. Number 3. Very good. Next picture. What is this picture? Ice cream. What is this picture? Ice cream. Let us count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ice creams? 6 ice creams. Let's find out where is the number 6. Yes, this is the 6. We can do the matching. Ice cream to 6. Okay, very good. Next, what are these? These are balloons. What are these? These are balloons. Let us count how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balloons? 8 balloons. Where is number 8? Yes, here. Do the matching. Next, last picture. What is this, children? Umbrella. What is this? Umbrella. How many umbrellas are there? Only one. How many umbrellas? One umbrella. Where is number 1? Yes, here. Do the matching. Okay, children. Very good. All of you done. Very nice. Again once I will repeat. How many trees? 2 trees. 1, 2. We can do the 2 matching. How many balls? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Here number 3. How many ice creams? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. Okay, next, balloons. How many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. This is the number 8. How many umbrellas are there? Only one umbrella. Where is umbrella? Here, number 1. We can do the matching. Very done, children. All of you do very well. In next class, I will continue the next numbers. All of you take care. Bye-bye.